Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically speed up your video or slow it down. So I'm just going to select this audio here, which is I think just an audio of me talking. If you're on basic, just select speed. So this is the normal speed. So select speed. If you want to speed it up, slide this to the right side, or you can type in your preferred speed. That's what it sounds like when it's sped up, I guess.
So this is what my voice sounds like when the audio is muffled.
And to slow it down, just slide it to the left and it will slow it down. So this is what my voice... Okay, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!